Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, as far as this Big C virus concerned, right? You have some people who really concerned about it and I say, yo, they believe it is caused by this. Others I say it is caused by that. But then you have another set of people who just they're right in the middle. I say, yo, me no care what cause it. Me just to make sure say me keep myself and my family safe. Me no care whether it is caused by the 5 whatever or the this whatever or whether a man do it. Me just no care, right? Now, Buju Banton kind of speak out. And Buju Banton kind of say a lot without saying a lot. What me say well not gonna really make sense though. I did it. What there? If you don't understand what I mean, when me say Buju Banton say a lot without actually saying a lot, take a listen to the little clip here of Buju Banton addressing certain things. And then maybe you may just understand why me say Buju say a lot without actually saying a lot. Listen up.
This is the Tanzania president though. He make sure him check him health system. I see which side they are on. They are on the side of the people or on the side of the multinational. The first thing he did was test what them sending to him. And a goat and a papaya. You see what happened? The goat and the papaya come back positive. But be careful in Jamaica. Come here some talk and come here some talk and make by some people should have our best interest at heart. And the national interest at heart. And to me, it sounds like we have some traitors among us, you know. Is it true so passive and we've been drinking them Kool-Aid for so long and we don't even know? And someone just figure say, some true a guy speak well of them, look well, that is enough. Be careful, you know. And if we wake up, if a guy get 15,000 for selling a half COVID virus and 39,000 putting up an incubator, who will make the money? None of them can come out of the house to make the money. Pick them can't go to school, a joking. You understand? Everybody that take steps for open them country. I'm see Jamaica do a contract. Yeah? Alright. Wake up.
Now, me don't really know who read into what Buju say, you know. I don't really want me to spell it out for you know, like ABC. It is clear as day what Buju is saying. But if you still not understand, ask your neighbor what Buju has said. Alright? Because at the end of the day, it is left up to me and you and people who have common sense to pick sense from nonsense and try to understand things for ourselves. Because at the end of the day, we can listen to what politicians say and we can also listen and try to pick out what makes sense to it and also look upon what they must say and say, wait them man, some things they don't really make sense. So me I go just hold where me want to hold. Right? Yeah. But you have some people them just take everything in and just swallow it just as them get it without actually thinking about it logically for themselves and say, does this make sense? I wonder if what them do actually right. I wonder why this happen. I wonder why that happen. No, they do not do that. But as me say, all it as you want, all it me hear what Buju say, and me understand what Buju say, and me have my own personal belief to certain things. Alright? Now, watch out. As far as the whole coronavirus thing go again, me have to say big up to the teachers who do the thing for make sure say students, children still get education even though they are at home. Right? And big up to all of the healthcare workers, them as a matter of fact. Right? Now, this teacher in Jamaica, me have to say thumbs up. I want the whole on to big up that teacher you're doing in the comment section. Because he is doing something exceptional, different for children who not even have internet at them yard. He might go out time way to make sure say these kids get the necessary things needed so that them continue to get them education. Watch a little video, ya people.
Hi, my name is Karen King, the principal of Little Bay Primary and Infant School here in Westmoreland. Been here for the last 2 years, so we're working here in the same capacity of being a principal for 2 years. When we realized that we were instructed that school supposed to be closed, what we did, we met as a staff with the stakeholders, with the community members, with the parents to ensure that we account for all our children. Now, the great thing about this is we already put some things in place prior to the COVID situation. Now, when we realized that there are some students, however, who do not have internet access at home, and then what we decide that we'll have to do is try and find a way to ensure that there is equity in the system and that we can account for all our children. What we did is set up a printing system which the regional office in Region 4 helped to coordinate also with our regional director and stakeholders, Rock House, and the other entities. So we work together on this project. So we print the materials, take them from Montego Bay to Westmoreland. Sometimes we're nuts for them, sometimes I go in and I take them, and then the teachers will email the work, we get them print, and then once we get them print, we take them to the school, create a drop-off and a pick-up point, and then we sort the documents out, staple them together, use the register, account for all the children, and then from there what I'll do is go through the communities that are in a more remote location and then ensure that all the children receive printed materials that they wouldn't be able to access under normal situation.
Daniel, Mr. King.
He's doing a good job.
I like.
Grateful for everything that he's doing to my kids. And
For the week, we deliver to about 6 communities.
well, it's good. What Mr. King is doing for the kids.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing?
King,
Yes, sir.
you don't mind me saying, but you look like a student.
Oh, I'm used to that, sir. I get that every day.
That's very good to see young people
Yes,
in
sir.
leadership positions in education, but particularly even more pleasing is a young man as a principal
Yes, sir.
of a school, but in the rural parts of Jamaica. The service that you're giving, where you're riding a bike again to transport papers and collect papers from students. That's incredible, and it shows your dedication to the profession, your dedication to your students, your own dedication as a citizen in a time of crisis. Very proud of what you're doing, and I want to commend you. We want to say how very proud we are of what you do, how very grateful we are as a nation for what you do, and encourage you to continue.
Yes, sir.
I want to make my own contribution to what you're doing as a sign of support for your innovativeness and your commitment. We believe that what you're doing is a positive sign for Jamaica.
Thank you, Mr. King.
Pana real. Uno really now go big up that teacher there. That teacher they deserves to get a big up. Me not tell no lie. And then again, every teacher deserves to get big up during this time, because me I tell you something. The amount of parents when me see a cry right now, I say, yo, me never know say this teachers go through when them have we pick near school, because you know say because one heap of children right now they home and them parents are spend way more time with them than them used to. Them get to realize say, yo, being a teacher is not an easy thing. You understand? So teachers, each and every teacher, big up on yourself, totally love and appreciate Uno 100%. So if you're a teacher right now and you're here, blessings to you. You are loved and appreciated. So if you was jumping at the comment section as me say, I'm big up every teacher. Alright, we have to love them. You understand? Because teachers do a lot for our kids. Alright, watch out man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will continue to be informed. Watch ya. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out. Wait. Before me leave. Riddle of the day, and nobody Google it. Nobody now watch you. Try to be honest once in your life. Answer the question here without Googling it. Alright, down in the comment section. Listen to the question. If you are in a race and you pass the person holding second place position, what position are you in? Talk to me down in the comment section. Make me know what the answer. And nobody Google it. Alright, Megan.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.